This is the part 10. Tapos na ako dito. Yan. Ganyan talaga yan, guys. Hindi nyo na yun na. And yun. Sasayaw muna tayo. Make me first tayo. Make me first when I get to crash. Make me first. Ito ulit. Let me first. Oh, isa pa guys. Breathe down, la like up. Hindi, mali. So, yan guys. Ay, puto po. Kadyan na po. Okay na to. This is hub for you know for na ano part 4. Guys, mukha naman masarap. Oh, this is part 4. May part 4 pa nga.